Students, you now have access to a new software within eLearn called Yuja Panorama. Panorama will allow you to download content within alternative formats as well as make adjustments to accessibility settings within your eLearn courses. To begin, simply log into an eLearn course that you're currently enrolled in and go to the course homepage. From the course homepage, go to the course information and content page. Within your content module, you will notice that the files inside have a little accessibility icon right beside of it. This little icon represents Panorama's alternative formats menu option. So select this icon, and once you do, this will bring up a variety of alternative formats that you can download your content piece with. This can include the original file, PDFs, an EPUB option for e-readers, HTML, an audio format option, immersive reader, which is a study option, language translations, Braille, and many others. This is also applicable for your news items as well as some assignments uploaded into eLearn. When you have chosen your preference for whatever alternate format you would like to use with the content piece, simply select it. And it might take a moment to process, but this will either bring it up on your computer directly, or you will have to download the file option. And once it is done downloading, simply select the file. Panorama also lets you adjust accessibility settings within your course based on user preference. To do this, there's a little symbol at the very bottom right-hand corner of the screen that looks like a little man inside of a circle called the Web Accessibility menu. Select this menu, and this will bring up your website accessibility widgets. Within these widgets, it will let you adjust text colors, contrast, saturation, font style, and sizes. Let you access to a reading mask, as well as other content-specific settings. Once you have made your necessary adjustments to your eLearn course, you can actually go and save this as a profile for you to access at any time for your convenience.